Time to catch the Uber into town. On our way to get a SIM card, so we have full internet access. I've only ever seen walkable places like this and pedestrian only areas in Quebec.
I like Old Montreal.
Old Montreal, Quebec City, and the village at Mont-Tremblant. Oh, the ski village in Mont-Tremblant. This is a nice door. We're now connected to the network. I feel like the whole map just opened up for us now that we got the SIM cards. Really easy to use too, and easy to install. Yes, we found the Holy Grail. This is all we needed from our trip. Pomegranates, fruits. Good to see that I'm sold here too. This is what it sounds like walking through the streets of Lagos, Portugal.
Gente, o tempo é ouro, né? Ok, então fica assim também. Vá dar uma.
Looks like there's a castle here, and there's like a little bay here to dock your galley so you can attend the ball. And there's the ocean. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now it's time to go grocery shopping so we don't spend all our money on food that's non-Portuguese. Welcome to Pingo Doce with shaded car parking, which is revolutionary. I've never seen that before.
Nice.
Eggs here aren't refrigerated. Cool. They're fresh. They got the gunk. They got the gunk on them. The fresh chicken gunk. Holla. Groceries done. We got cannibalism, chocolate, fruits, bread. Sardines are a thing in Portugal. Not like they're a thing, like an anomaly, but they're a big thing in Portugal. Apparently, it's part of the culture. And a fridge full of spreadables and yogurts and juices and beer. More juice. Meats and the freshest eggs. Yeah. And then an emoji in here. I love when I'm being a good homemaker and my man's trying to get the fire going. How's it going?
I put a candle in there. I put a candle. I'm trying to light the only twig we have because we're too pussy to go get twigs outside.
We?
Well, I am. Well, if you go do your fucking man job then.
I don't understand induction. It's like it turns on and off, but it's boiling. It's like instant heat. So strange. Boy dinner. Overcooked quinoa and seaweed. It's sardines with olive oil. Snack plate.
Snack plate.
These tomatoes are explosive with flavor.
Wow.
What's up? We found a little boy named Stickum.
We found a friend.
Hi, baby.
We think he's lost. Maybe he's a neighbor's dog. We don't know that.
Maybe. We're trying to find his home.
He's very kind though.
Little Stickums.
He gives me kisses. And he's very curious. He's like, what's that in your hand? Yeah, that's you. See? Yeah, that's right. You give the kisses to you because you love yourself.